G'day, this is Chriso. We're starting on another bathroom today. This is, I'm going to be stripping it out, and this is the beginning stage of it. Oh, there I am. So I take out this, build a bigger shower. That bath is coming out. It's going to be a freestanding bath. It's floor to ceiling. I'll be going over this tile, this floor tile, making the shower bigger. I'll be trimming this door down. Stay tuned, everyone. I'll show you more pictures and photos and as I progress and how to do things. So stay tuned, subscribe, and I'll see you soon. Bye.